Hello, my name is Davis from Botswana, and as you can see, I visited the Jimjo Telenet warehouse. This is a sector where they have some very high-grade refurbished trucks. As you can see, we have our dumpster brand new, or other known as a tipper truck. And from my personal opinion, it's a very good refurbishment. We got the new tires on. We have a nice air filter, and just general paintwork of the whole truck is looking really good, as you can see. Our rentals are by 2, right? And a very big container, so it's very, very good. This is one of the greatest trucks I've seen. This is a really good, very good truck. And this is a grade 3 refurbished truck, which means it's very, very similar to a brand new truck. They have done major and all the minor touch ups, as you can see. Under here we have the engine, still the same original engine with some few touch up, and it's ready to run. It's ready to make you some money. You can open the door over here. This is the passenger side. Clean interior. We have some new seats. The ceiling is also new. And I think, personally, I think this is a really, really good investment, and I'm going to be a very proud owner of the new truck very soon. So thank you, Jenga, for the thumbs up.